Hey guys, in today's video, I wanted to answer a question that I get a lot, and that is how can I seamlessly integrate ChatGPT into Apple Intelligence and Siri on your iPhone? Well, today I'm going to show you how to seamlessly integrate ChatGPT to answer all your questions on your iPhone without having your iPhone to prompt you and ask you for permission. So for example, if you ask your iPhone, when is the next SpaceX launch? If Siri doesn't know the answer, she'll ask ChatGPT, but before she does, she will ask you for permission in order to send this information over. Well, I'm going to show you how to avoid this and seamlessly integrate ChatGPT for all your questions on the iPhone so you can get a quicker answer. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Now, the first thing to note that this only works on devices compatible with Apple Intelligence. So it works on your iPhone, it works on your Mac, and it also works on the iPad as long as it's compatible with Apple Intelligence. And now the second thing to note is that you do have to set up a ChatGPT account on your Apple Intelligent device. So head on over into settings, go under Apple Intelligence and Siri, scroll down, find the ChatGPT extension, and if you haven't already, make sure you create an account and log in to ChatGPT. Now at the bottom here, you find this option, which is the confirm request. This is the option that you want to turn off in order to integrate that ChatGPT experience on your iPhone to answer questions if Siri simply cannot answer the question for you. So as I previously mentioned, I asked Siri when was the next SpaceX launch. She asked me for permission to ask ChatGPT. Now that I have that option turned off, let me show you the difference here. When is the next SpaceX launch? Working with ChatGPT, as you can see right there, no request. There's the answer for you. So this is how you integrate ChatGPT into Apple Intelligence and Siri a lot better on the latest iOS 26. This works on all iOS 26 updates, of course, all Apple Intelligent devices. You can also ask her many more questions. So for example, if I was to ask, when is WWDC 2026? See right there, working with ChatGPT.
Apple's worldwide developers
And as you can see right there, Siri is no longer asking me for permission to actually answer these questions and request these information from ChatGPT, which is a lot nicer to have this way. I think this is the best way to do this. Now, I would love to see Apple actually allow users to remap the side button to use any voice assistant, rather it's ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or whatever, but that has yet to happen. This is the best solution so far to better integrate ChatGPT onto your iPhone. Let me know what you think about this in those comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.